What do you think, Leslie? You gonna give that another whack? I'd love to get some video of you shooting the blowgun. I didn't. Come on.
What do you suppose the ball at the bottom of that?
Which one? No, that's where he keeps the white stuff. See that white stuff? You have a big wad of that white stuff. And he pulls it out.
Okay, stand back.
Oh, he already did some before. But that's where they keep that stuff.
Yeah.
It's a special tree.
Yes.
Just relax.
You went to beautiful here, right?
Yeah!
Dynamite.
That's right.
Don't want to mess with her. You got to get